28 tayo, kuya.
Pero na-slack na daw.
28, tingnan mo yung 28 doon. Gano'n. 28 tayo, ha?
Sanitize na lang po ng kamay.
Okay, taste doon. Yan. Thank you.
For Iloilo, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Mami, picture mo doon. Ayan, Jay. Okay. Yun. Ano sabi mo? Yun.
Hi.
Ganun pa. Patay na. 1, 2, 3. Okay yung dalawa. Picture mo na. Picture mo na kayong dalawa.
Hello.
Hindi, 1, 2. Jay.
Having to please arm your doors for departure.
Wow, isang masulit ang airplane na. Wow, lagay mo dyan. Bakit? Gamitin mo mamaya. Okay. Safe flight tayo.
Dali tayo na, hindi na po yung ibon na free flight.
Ah, ganun?
Yung tao naman.
Hi. Saan tayo punta?
Ilo, sinabi na, hindi niya narinig.
Ba? Hindi tayo ni Mamita doon. No? Wag mo iharap.
Daddy, sabihin
Hindi
niyo
na sa
po
loob kami ng airplane, no?
sabihin niyo po kay ay mamita na mag-subscribe.
Oo, sige. Mamita, mag-subscribe ka ng...
Kadyusang Bird Kid!
Ganda sa birdies. Bye-bye.
At bye-bye!
Ano?
Yan, high heel shoes po. Tapos, ito po,
Instruction mo yun.
evacuation on water. Exit A. Bubuksan yung parang
Pintana?
ito.
Pintuan?
Tapos, full red inflammation founded in free traffic.
Hello everyone, this is JM and together with my team, welcome aboard Cebu Pacific, making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Iloilo. In command of the aircraft is Captain Aguirre, ably assisted by Captain Ricardo. Our flying time is approximately 45 minutes.
45 minutes
At
na
this
tayo.
moment, please direct your full attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of these aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten push ends together, tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift up buckle and pull free end to release.
Nagdi-demo sila ng seatbelt.
Daddy kan.
In case of a water landing, your life vest is found under your
Anong
seat. Remove
bibigay
sharp
mamaya?
objects from your
Ay, hindi
body
ko alam.
to don. Slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist
Ito
and
daw
push
sila, Lim.
end to
Sa
buckle.
pagkain, mamayang gabi.
Pull tape to tighten when outside
Anong
the aircraft.
bibigay?
Pull inflation
Hindi ko alam.
tab to inflate the vest. Manual inflation
Hindi ko
is
alam.
done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase and push pins inward to release. The air light will automatically illuminate once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the light
Meron na
vest
yan.
inside the aircraft. Please be
Parang hindi
reminded that
masakit
an
sa tenga mo.
authorized removal of light vest from the aircraft constitutes
Hindi pa.
theft and is punishable by law. In case of a rapid change in cabin pressure,
Kuya, alam mo
oxygen
na,
mask
lipad
will
na
automatically
tayo?
drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, remove your face mask, then put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug feed and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exit. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket.
Balik mo dun sa loob pag ay ko na yun.
Securely, keep window shades open and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
Ako na.
DJ.
Naliwa ko dito yung toast ko. Hello mga kabog.
Airplane mode ko na lang. May.
Tayo ng bird.
Oh,
Tagal.
ano natakbo na airplane?
Daddy,
Ano?
hanggang bukas pa ta.
Hindi. After 1 hour, nandun ka na sa Iloilo.
Naglaro ka ng computer.
Ano si ate kay mami?
Hello?
Si mami? Tulog.
Daddy, bakit umuusok?
Hmm?
Ano po yung usok?
Hangin yan? Ang aircon? Malamig na hangin. Kate, sara mo. Bawal yan pag nagpa-ano. GJ, sasabi ko lang kay ate mong isara, bawal. Pag mamaya na sa ibabaw na ng clouds, pwede na yun.
Ayun yung clouds. Sisilaw tayo. Dati buksan natin ito.
Ano?
Pag andun na ng clouds, ako lang.
Kaya mo sinabi mo? Sinabi mo okay? Yummy?
Wow!
Jay, sandal ka lang, Jay. Jay, sandal ka lang.
Tapos tumingin ka na. Sandali ka tapos tumingin ka na. Beep. Beep.
Hey, you,
Oh my God.
yan.
Oh my God.
Diba? Take off na tayo. Thank you.
Hindi nakakatakot pag nababa.
Ano kikita kayo, JJ? Wow, diba? Ang daming bahay mo. Sipin yung bahay natin dyan.
Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. Ang gulang.
Kami naman, Jay, hindi namin nakikita eh. Sandal ka lang.
Oh my God.
Oo, diba? Yay! Yay! Naka-take off na si GJ. Cloud sa Jay.
Gigi, pwede ito.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to inform you that seats in the A321 aircraft are not equipped with recline buttons. These seats are already set at a pre-inclined position for your comfort. As an added feature, there is an in-seat power supply with USB output
Daddy, ikaw
found
na
in
ako.
your seat to charge your portable electronic devices free of charge during the flight. In case you need assistance, please call any of your cabin crew. Thank you.
Papo ko yun, Daddy. Ang ganda. Mukhang fireworks.
Fireworks? Bakit?
Hindi fireworks. Bangka.
Bangka yata yan. Fishing boat. Sa island na tayo eh. Ano, Jay? Bakit? Sakit tenga mo? Sakit tenga mo? Sakit? tanggalin ang seatbelt mo. Kung yan natulog, ikaw hindi ka matutulog. Tulog ka, wala namang makikita. Sa clouds ka eh. Tip ka na? Okay.
Hi everyone, again, good afternoon. This is your captain speaking from flight deck, giving you latest update for this flight 5J449 bound for Iloilo Airport. And as of now, we are cruising at an altitude of 31,000 feet, above sea level, at approximately speed of 400 kilometers per hour. Right now, we are in a distance of 130 nautical miles north of Iloilo. And in a minute from now, we'll be starting our descent. Reported weather now in Iloilo is fair with scattered clouds over the city with a ground temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. Our estimated time of arrival is approximately 50 minutes past the hour of 1 o'clock this afternoon. And again, for cabin crew, Joanna Marie, Chang, Lead Joanna Marie, is our Captain Rob speaking, and again, I'd like to thank you for choosing Cebu Pacific, your land of choice, and we hope to see you again in one of our future flights with us. Thank you, maraming salamat. Enjoy the rest of the flight. Good afternoon, and welcome to Iloilo.
Nakita namin yung fly. Magsap na. Magsap na sila dalawa. Si ate. Steady lang, huwag kang gumalaw.
Wow, yan, ganun nakita ko. Daddy, parang sila yung ano. Baka. Kasi nagliland na po tayo.
Thank you. Ang paglat na.
Kaya po po hindi nasakit yung akal. Ang bilis niya po pagkasakit. Na daddy, mami.
Masakit nga, masakit. Bakit kami masakit din?
My daddy.
Hmm?
Bahay ko po.
Kanan?
Yung liit.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Iloilo International Airport. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Akira and Captain Ricardo, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Daddy. Baka, pwede ka pag nawala na po yan.
With infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. And for guests needing wheelchair assistance, you are advised to deplane last using the forward door for proper ground endorsement.
Jay,
Muli po mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po.
Huwag mo ibaba din.
Daddy, gusto ko nakakita ng sa labas. Kung paano po tayo nag-walk.
Copy ko, disarm doors for arrival and cross-check.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
Okay, mag-hi ka dun sa attendant ha. Mag-hi ka sa kanila. Thank you po sa safe flight. Thank you. Go, go!
Butterfly.
Where's mami? Uy, wait lang. Sino mami? Where's mami? Jay, wait lang. Sino mami? Wala pa. Jay! Where's mami? Mami, saan? Oh, sa Iloilo na po kami. Thank you sa safe flight.
Go away. Kain game po to. Red. Ay, buti may glass.
Ba't nahuli kayo? Nagpa-picture pa kayo? Wow, galing naman. Thank you sa safe flight. Kahit masakit sa tenga. May sakit tenga ma? Oh, sakit nga. Okay lang. Thank you. So wait na po mamaya.